Hello guys and welcome to a new video that will level up your creator game in Flowlance. And today we'll discover two simple ways how to turn every new lead into a paying customer on autopilot and how to grow and nurture your audience. In the past, Flowlance enabled you to create a lead magnet, deliver them, and collect the leads and contacts for you. But you still had to nurture those fresh leads somewhere else. Well, not anymore, because we just added automated email sequences. And today I'll show you how to set it up in under 5 minutes, and I will show you all of the specific benefits it will bring you. First, let's set the stage. If you already have created a lead magnet in Flowlance, that's great, you are ahead. And if not, please go watch our previous videos. Anyway, right now you are collecting emails, and that's just step one, because if you stop here, most people will forget you in like 10 minutes. This is where automated email steps in. They help you stay remembered, build trust, and warm people up to buy from you. Let's jump into Flowlance and see how simple this is. So let's select email flow and add email sequence. You pick a title only for your overview, choose a product or a lead magnet which will trigger it. This could be a general one for all products, or in my example, specific for this one lead magnet. We can determine if we want the customer to re-enter this sequence. And super handy settings, we can say, okay, I want to exclude those customers which bought those products, or for example, customers with this one specific label. Imaginations are limitless. So for example, you can say, okay, use this email sequence for people who didn't ever buy anything from me. Then you add emails one by one. For in my example, thank you so much, did you know my offer in the review, for the subject lines. And you can also use handy variables to personalize the email even more. You set the delays for individual emails, so again in my example, after 5 minutes of the purchase, 1 day, 3 and 5, and simply hit publish. And that's everything, done. No crazy expensive emailing tools, no endless subscriptions draining you, or a messy contacts importing. From that moment, every new lead gets your message in the perfect order without you lifting a finger. And with super analytics for you to go over it and to see what actually is working. But maybe you want to do some one-time off campaigns, or you don't want to have it automatically set up. For this, you can use broadcasts to again target all customers or individual ones based on the tags or again the products they purchased. Why does this matter? It's pretty simple. Most creators waste hours every week following up manually. Or worse, forget about some of the customers or never follow up at all. And that could be a reason why your offers are not converting. Here's what happens when you set up your sequence correctly. You stay top of the mind, you educate, build trust, and deliver more value than expected. Each email shares tips, stories, proofs, and they start to see you as the go-to person. You make consistent offers. Instead of crossing your fingers, you are inviting them to buy in natural and friendly way. And most importantly, you grow your revenue on autopilot. More touch points equals more sales. It's that simple. So to summarize, with new emailing module you can create automated sequences for lead magnets, free products or paid ones by using sequences right here. Send one-time newsletters to all or specific segments by using broadcasts. Warm up leads and turn them into buyers. Share special offers with selected audience. Build trust and stay top of mind of your customers, and onboard new customers effortlessly. So set up your first email sequence today. It takes literally 5 minutes and it's gonna do so much difference. If anything, please reach out to us anywhere, and thank you so much for being a Flowlancer. Bye.